words were written, before borders were drawn or cities built. People moved. They danced, not for applause, but for meaning. Dance was a form of worship, of healing, of connection. Here in the Philippines, dance became heartbeat for entire communities, passed from generation to generation, carrying with it the memory of who we are. Every step, every rhythm, every sway told a story, and it still does today. From the mountains of Mindanao to the plains of Luzon, indigenous tribes have used dance as a part of daily life. The Higaonon people perform the Kaliga, a ritual dance for healing and gratitude. The Subanin dance in colorful circular movements to honor the spirits of nature. The Tiboli, known for their dream-inspired tinalak fabric, reflect those dreams through graceful gestures. These dances are not entertainment. They are a sacred language. Movements are prayers. Costumes are symbols. Instruments guide the soul, not just the beat. And every footfall, you hear the echo of our ancestors. Then, foreign powers arrived. The Spanish brought new religions, new customs, and new forms of art. But instead of erasing what was already here, a fusion emerged. Filipinos created dances like the Pandango sa Ilaw and Hota Moncadena, blending European influence with indigenous grace. Women balanced candles with poise and elegance. Men moved with strength and precision. These dances became part of town fiestas and church rituals, reflecting both colonized faith and unbroken Filipino spirit. We adapted, but we did not forget. Today, Filipino dance lives through schools, festivals, and passionate communities. Tinikling and Singkil are performed in competitions. Street dance light up festivals like Sinulog, Kadayawan, and Dinagyang. In classrooms, students rehearse folk dances once done by ancestors. But dance has also evolved, embracing modern expressions while honoring old traditions. Cultural groups, like the one we'll feature next, serve as guardians of both movement and memory. In Iligan City, a group known as Ipag continues to breathe life into the past by weaving together tradition and innovation on stage.
Founded in 1978, the Integrated Performing Arts Guild, IPAG, was born from a simple, powerful vision to give voice to the many cultures of Mindanao. At Imishwiligan Institute of Technology, a small group of artists led by founder Steven Fernandez came together to create performances that were not just artistic but cultural archives. Through music, dance, and theater, IPAG became more than a group. It became a movement. IPAG is not just another dance troupe. It is, as its name says, integrated. Integrated means that every performance weaves together multiple traditions. It's not limited to one tribe, one language, or one rhythm.
Good day, everyone. Jake Adrian here, and I'm here to interview two IPAG artists. Hi everyone, mo din silang two IPAG artists na akong gi-mention kaganina, and sila atong i-interview. So, ang first na pangutana is para sa inyo, unsa ang IPAG?
For me, it's another circle of friends or family that welcomes you even though kanang beginner pa ka or kanang galisod pa kag understand yourself, and it helps you grow as a person and develop yung mga skills through dancing or acting or singing.
IPAG is best lang ingon dira ka makabuild og another family and circle of friends.
Ang second question natin is, nabong mo'y madumduman nga event or memories nga inyong gihimo during rehearsal or kanang nisayo mo like sa performance ninyo? Ana.
Okay katong nanayaw mi sa balcony, which is katong mga nainangabot mga Koreans. So moto nga ang event na to kay Wonjo and Iligan collaboration. So dito nagsayaw mi tapos ng mga Koreans, ito kong pinaka-best experience dito.
Okay. And atong third question kay giunsa pag-influence sa IPAG inyong growth as an artist or as an individual?
Helps me to develop my dancing skills and also my critical thinking through our daily trainings every week, since siya kanang dili lang siya kanang moderate pero kanang very difficult, kanang very intense ang among training. So dili lang siya basta-basta nga training lang para sa mga, and it help us grow as an artist to develop new skills and our flexibility to perform well movement.
Unsay na-face niyo nga challenges bitaw or kanang mga problema ninyo as a member sa IPAG, and giunsa niyo siya pag-overcome?
Ako kay katong bag-o pa ko sa IPAG kay dili man jud ko literal nga dancer lang jud kay anak ko experience sa mag-dance pero dili ko matawag jud nga dancer kay katong maglisod ko execute, and then as time goes by kay ma-perform well na ako siya kay tungod kay ginahatagan ako siya time nga itong ma-perfect na ko siya, mali ko gamay pero at the same time kay ma-perfect na ko siya.
Thank you. And so sa ikalima natin na pangutana sa inyong feel ninyo sa inyong pag-unahuna, giunsa sa IPAG pag-contribute sa pag-preserve sa culture sa bitaw here sa Philippines, mga culture sa Philippines, like giunsa in what way gi-preserve sa IPAG mga cultural heritage din sa Philippines ba, like para sa nang mga higaonon, mga yana?
For me kay dili siya matawag na preserve kay if preserve man na to ang butang kay wala siya pag ma-preserve ang butang kay murag mawala siya bitaw, so dili siya matawag na preserve ang sa mga kay kanang gina-show na mo what are the different cultures here in the Philippines. So dili lang siya nag-focus sa Higaonon but other cultural groups around here in the Philippines, just like the Higaonon, Subanan, our Muslim
Maranao.
our Maranao brothers and sisters and other cultures.